Hey, Jason Langston here with Gelco Products, and I wanted to talk a little bit about what dynamic density technology is. When we first developed the GSeat, it was an all-gel GSeat. So there was gel in it, and it was a little bit heavy, kind of floppy. This one here was the first one we ever made, and you can see it's a little bit floppy, doesn't quite hold its shape. So what we did was, when we retooled our new factory, we wanted to make a part that had foam and gel in it. A combination of materials that has proven to be very good for us and even better for the user. Because memory foam itself is a very good material, but over time it will break down and it collapses under a focused point of pressure. Whereas if you put gel over the top of the foam, it distributes the pressure, because gel, by its nature, when you put pressure on it, spreads out and disperses pressure at the point of contact. So that's when we developed the new line of GSeats a few years ago that now feature dynamic density technology. I have a graph here that sort of depicts what it looks like. So we have a memory foam base and then a gel layer over the top. Again, the memory foam acts like a shock absorber and the gel disperses pressure at the point of contact. It's worked out very well for us. I also have a seat cushion that we have cut so you can see how those materials work together. And so what we have here is a GSeat Ultra that I've cut down the long axis so you can see how the gel layer and the memory foam layer come together. When you put pressure on our part, the foam will contour to the pressure, but the gel will still disperse that pressure at the point of contact. You can use our bowling ball to demonstrate that. Across the surface there you can see that the foam will act like a shock absorber, but the gel will actually not lose its pressure distribution qualities. So together, when we use a memory foam base with a layer of gel, we get the benefits of pressure distribution. Again, you can see dynamic density technology gets over the shortcomings of foam. I put pressure on the foam and it collapses on itself, but I put the gel layer over the top, and you can see it has uniform pressure distribution. That is what dynamic density technology does for the GSeat. And so dynamic density technology is available exclusively through the GSeat product line. We employ that technology in the GSeat as well as the GSeat Ultra. And again, the integration of a foam base with a gel layer over the top has proven to be the best way to disperse pressure, promote proper posture, and maintain your comfort.